If you look at the footprint of CAFNR research, we take care of the land, the water, the animals, plants, and we also take care of our atmosphere. So when you look at our research footprint, it's broad, but it is also deep. We have invested heavily in research infrastructure on campus as well as off campus throughout the state.
The main mission of the Bond Life Science Center is discovery-driven research, so we try to understand at a very fundamental level how living organisms work. Those include human, animal, and plant biological systems for improved health and well-being of humanity. We also have unique resources under one roof in that we have greenhouses, plant growth chambers, and also an animal care facility that is very high quality and allows researchers to have all their resources in this building.
I'm the Associate Director of the National Swine Resource and Research Center, so I coordinate shipments of pigs and pig tissues or anything to the NIH community that requests pig samples. A lot of the agriculture models involve disease resistance, any kind of trait that's going to benefit the animal. So if you can make an animal not get sick, if you can get an animal to be more efficient, that's what the agricultural models involve. For the biomedical models, we try to recapitulate that disease in the pig. It can vary from anywhere to cancer, to various eye diseases, respiratory diseases, things like that.
This is a state-of-the-art plant growth facility, and when we designed it, we tried to anticipate all of our current researchers' need as well as projecting 30 years into the future to try to be prepared for the challenges we don't even know about today. That allows researchers on campus to address cutting-edge plant biology questions that are fundamentally important to society. We feed primarily our livestock, corn and soybean and some other mixed meals, and so enhancing the quality of that feed is going to directly benefit humans, whether they're consuming entirely plants or consuming a meat-based diet.
Anytime you have a healthier animal, it's going to be more efficient, it's going to be more sustainable, there's less feed costs, there's less medical expenses, and it creates a more efficient process to get that meat on the market, and it's going to be a healthier product.
What do we all hope to accomplish with initiatives like Nextgen? And that's to have real impact of our science on the health and well-being of our entire community. An important area where Nextgen will interface with CAFNR is in the use of animal models to study diseases. One can create pigs or rats that have the same symptoms, behaviors as, say, for example, a child with cystic fibrosis.
If we can successfully cure these diseases in pigs, that can be applied to humans, and those diseases that affect young children and even our elderly.
And we're just now seeing the first treatments have real impact.
We're very passionate about what we do, and we're very excited about what we do, and we love to help people and see how this is going to benefit people. I also get excited about ways that we benefit animal agriculture.
I think it is especially important that the younger generation of scientists learn to work together, and we have a lot of collaborations between graduate students and postdocs figuring out how to do experiments the correct way. It is often asked what basic research does for the world. It all works because of the scientific method that is always self-critical and self-correcting and asks questions that need to be answered by experimentation, not by conjecture.
And that's largely what our graduate students, undergraduate students, and postdocs are spending their time doing, making fundamental discoveries that hopefully do translate into improvements for society.
The research that we do is changing the world.